Hello everyone, my name is Wu and this is my partner, Summer. Today we are going to talk about natural conservancy, a topic related to environment. In our topic, we have three parts, order and history, purpose and goal, and implementation. In the first part, I will introduce the order and history. Firstly, this organization was founded in 1950 with the original name the Ecological Society of America. In 1950, some small science changed its name to the Natural Conservancies. This is incorporated as the non-profits. There are 1 million members have responsible for the reserve the lands, animals, natural communities. Because the founder, the next one, introduce the founder. There are science, some of them are biologists, ecologists. Ecologists is the science studying the plants, animal, people, everyone or something like that. And economists and professors come from the famous university, Columbia University and University of California. There are many science cultures work together with the general purpose to prevent protecting ecological important lands for the natural people. And finally, this part introduce the leadership. The leadership is his name is Mark Tursek. He's the president and CEO of the Natural Conservancy. He person who design and implements the form environment strategy. And the second part, I introduce the purpose and goal. The firstly, I introduce they prefers to they work on the 50 states in the US state, in America and more than in 30 countries. The 30 countries they use the resource effectively, focusing the protecting ecological important places. Africa, Asia Pacific, Caribbean, and Central America, North America, USA, and South America. And the next part, they protect land and animal, land and river worldwide. They operate more than 119 million upland lands and more than 5,000 miles of rivers, and operate more than 100 marine conservation projects globally. And the final of the second part, I introduce they reverse the plants, animal, natural and communities that represent diversity of life by protecting land and water. And the next slide, someone will continue to present next.
I want to talk to you some math that achieve their goals. It's poor conservation by design. More than 10 years, the conservancy's works has been guided by framework they call the conservation by design. It is a systems approach that determines where they work and how they conserve and what strategies they should use and how effective they have been. Conservation by design varies a collaborative scientist-based approach with key analytical methods they use to assess and plan their actions. And in the more than 30 countries in which they work, conservation by design enables the conservation to preserve a health ecosystem that support people and host the diversity of life on Earth. They have four simple steps to achieve their goal. First one is setting goals and priorities. They set near-term goals and they make the most effective progress toward their conservation goals. And they establish the priorities, also describe the result they want to achieve for biodiversity. And the second step is developing strategies. Guided the first step, they're using their own strategies to meet their goals. And third is taking action. They have the goals and they take action in globally and locally. And next one step is measure results. They will measure their effectiveness to answer two questions. One is how is the biodiversity doing, and their action have the intended impact. If no, they will restart to think their goal and their strategies, and they will make a new direction to achieve their goal. And we talking these systems, their history, and how they, and the 4 simple steps they achieve their goals. If you interested in nature conservation, you can go to their website and to be a volunteer in joining them. Have any questions? Thank you.